Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the GPU driver version error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Are you trying to launch the game and seeing a message saying your video card drivers are outdated? Or maybe the game starts but performance is terrible. Don't worry, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to fix the issue and get back into the action. First, open the Start menu on your PC, press the Windows key plus R, type devmgmt, MSC, and click OK. Once Device Manager opens, expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics card. From there, select Properties, then go to the Driver tab and click on Update Driver. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, click on Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now look for the latest compatible driver for your GPU and install it if an update is available. If you see an option that says Search for updated drivers on Windows Update, click that as well. This helps ensure your system is fully up to date and compatible with the game. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, close Call of Duty completely before updating drivers, and restart your PC if Windows asks you to. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent common driver-related issues. If you're using an Intel graphics card, you can search for Intel driver and support. Open it, and use the drivers section to download and install the latest GPU driver with just a few clicks. It's quick and very user-friendly. Once you've completed these steps, restart your computer and launch Call of Duty Black Ops 6 again. After that, you should be able to play without the GPU driver version error blocking you. It's also a good idea to keep automatic driver updates enabled. This helps ensure everything runs smoothly and avoids future problems. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the GPU driver version error in Call of Duty Black Ops 6 without any hassle. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Why not make their day a little easier?